Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together the Flash Power Mop and also how easy it is to use. This is the starter kit. It's currently one of Amazon's best sellers. So let's put it together. On this bit here, we need to line up the square here with the square here and the circle with the circle. So we're going to start pushing it in, press down the little buttons to get them past there and lock them into place like so. Again, down here we have a square and a circle, so we need to line that up with this one here. And if you have a look here, you can see that this one here is a square, so we're going to be lining up the square just here and pushing it down until it clicks into place like so. We're going to be removing this cardboard bit from it, and we need to put some batteries in, so we're going to be sliding this bit out like so. And this is where your batteries go. You can see it's marked up negative and positive and negative and positive. It also comes with the batteries. Put the negative side in first, negative side in first, and this is positive and positive. We're going to be sliding it back on like so and putting it in there and locking that into place. When it comes to putting the bottle in, we're going to be putting the flat side of the bottle, the one with the arrow, against the pole here, and the mop is currently upside down. You can see that bit there. So we're going to be sliding it in like so, and it just locks into place. When it comes to removing the bottle, when this is all empty, you press this button in and the bottle pops out. It's got a self-sealing lid. You don't need to undo this or puncture it. This will do it for you. So pop that back in like so. Now, when it comes to putting the actual replacement mop heads on, if you have a look, you want to put the side with the writing on against here. This part acts like Velcro on this bit here. So we're just going to line it up this way and put it on. That is it. You will now be ready to go. If you press this button at the top, this is what squirts the liquid out of these two parts here and here. So if I press the button, you'll hear it work. It will take a few seconds before the fluid goes through. But there you go, you can see now it's squirting out. Yeah, and this is the area. Right, let's do a bit of cleaning. And it says here, do not use on unfinished oiled or waxed wooden boards, non-sealed tiles or carpeted floors because they may be water sensitive. And if you're wondering how much one of the pads will do, roughly 2 rooms, so 323 square feet and 30 square meters. Obviously, it depends on how dirty those floors are. Is it safe to use around pets? It says that it is, but it could cause potential for minor temporary skin irritation. So it's saying as a precaution, pets should be removed from the area while the floor is still wet. So let's give it a go. So there's already some of the solution already on the floor from earlier when we did our little test. Now I can see a footprint here, so let's press the button and squirt out. So you actually need to be a good about 6 or 7 inches away from the bit you want to clean with the wet bit there, which makes sense because as you're going forward, you're going to be putting the mop over the bit that you've just wet. Well, it's nice and easy to move around, and it's nice and lightweight as well. Right, a bit of real life stains here. So we got stains here and a stain here. Let's see how easy they come off. So I'm going to squirt a little bit of liquid there. Right, so that one came off lovely and easy. This one looks a bit more ground in. So let's see, it looks like a bit of dried tomato from a pizza or something. It's still there, it's not coming off. Let's give it a little more spray. Leave it soak for a little bit. Right, so you can see, there you go, it's gone eventually, but that took quite a while. In fact, it's moved it over there. Yeah, but fair play, it did remove it. Right, so it's certainly quick to do, and it has left a lovely smell. Is it better than on your hands and knees scrubbing? No, because scrubbing you've got a lot more force on there, but it's certainly quick to do, and also it does give a nice smell. Obviously when you're doing any mopping, you should always sweep up or vacuum up first, because otherwise you're just moving the dirt around the place. If you have a look at the bottom here, you can see that it has picked up a fair bit of dirt. So that's it for this Flash Power Mop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.